It's time to create with Quimby, and this morning we have a DIY project that will send you into a spin ahead of Thanksgiving.
Yeah, so you get this elegant wooden lazy Susan. Could be the talk of your dinner table here. Yes, this is what it's supposed to look like, and that's why joining us live to walk us through how she made the lazy Susan is our DIY expert, Shannon Quimby. Good morning, Shannon. Good to see you again.
Good morning, you two. How are you doing?
Doing well. Excited for you to show me how to make this lazy Susan here. So what do we have? What all do we need?
Yeah, well, first off, Travis, since you're not a big DIYer, once again, it's going to be something simple and easy to do. Okay?
So easy a Travis could do it.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a Travis project. So yeah, the first thing you want to do is you want to get a piece of plywood, and I go down to Par Lumber, and they'll cut it for you because you want to cut it into a circle. And I had this cut into 15 inches in diameter. I kind of like that. It's a nice size because, as you can see over here, you can put a lot of things on. It's not too big that overtakes the table. It's good for counter space. So that's a really good dimension, is the 15-inch. Okay. And then after it's cut, you definitely just get a little bit of sandpaper, maybe like a 150 grit or 100, and just sand the edges so it's nice and smooth, because you don't want to get a splinter, if you're working with this. Okay. Wipe off the dust. Easy peasy. Now, the great thing about this project is that you can do stain, you can do paint, you can coordinate with the colors in your home. I like to use a stain on this, and you can just get a little teeny guy like this. You don't have to get a big quart because stain goes a long way. All right. Now, here's a fun tip. I like to use these foam brushes. These are throwaway brushes, because instead of using just a regular paintbrush, if you use a paintbrush, it's going to splatter.
Oh, so this way you minimize the mess with one of these.
Exactly. And it really, see how it really absorbs right into the wood?
Right.
Yeah, and a little goes a long way on this. And so what you want to do is I like to do the top and the bottom and the sides, just cover the whole thing like that. And you're only going to need one coat.
Oh, okay.
When you're done, yeah. And then just wipe off the excess. You see, you'll have a lot. Even if you think you don't put a lot on, you actually do. And so that's why you want to let it sit for about 15 minutes. Obviously, for TV time, we're making it faster. But that's because you want to get the excess off.
Okay.
All right.
Great.
So, yes. So, Emma, you probably have a beautiful manicure.
No. Now they're going to start looking really closely.
Oh, yeah. This is how I show my manicure.
Yeah, it's like I wear my nice rings because I don't want to get my nails done.
That's right. So, if for those that do have a nice manicure, or definitely wear gloves, because it will sting your fingers. Okay. So that's done with that, and then you have something like this, both sides. And then this is kind of a cheat. I went to the dollar store, and I got one of these trays. It's just a simple, what did I pay for it?
$1.
Okay. And I just want to center it on one side. So I take my ruler, and I measure, and this is about 2.5 inches in, and I want to center it. Now, if you want to keep it secure the whole time, I would use like a Gorilla Glue, a permanent glue. But if you don't want to damage it, you can just take a glue gun and glue around and put glue on it like so, because it will pop off, and then center it on that top. Now, one step, when I said center, you want to circle then. Okay. So then when you take it off, okay, and that's going to secure that on the bottom like that.
Great.
That's what's going to do this. And now here's the fun part. So I love to do nation walks. You guys are going to chuckle, because I gather rocks when I go. I gather rocks and pine cones.
Oh,
and
nice. And it's free.
But it's free. Yeah. If you don't want to do that, you can go to a craft store and you can actually buy rocks. So you can buy rocks.
You do that?
Right? Exactly. So the fun thing, and then all you want to do, and once again, if you wanted to make it permanent, once again, use like a permanent glue, or you can once again just use a glue gun, and all you do is you just go around the edge and you just start putting your little rocks all the way around the edge like this.
Oh my
And you
gosh.
go,
Oh, well,
yeah,
look
and you
at
go,
that.
it's so simple, and obviously it's very cost effective. The fun thing that I love about this project is that it's a great gift to yourself, and it's Lazy Susans never go out of style, right?
And
They
practical,
never.
especially around the holidays.
Exactly. So it's a really good gift. Everybody, we're coming up to Thanksgiving. It's a really good gift that you can give to the host or so forth if you're coming with family, because once again, you can put the food on this, you can put it on the table. And it's just a really fun, practical, inexpensive, simple DIY that you can do.
That's great.
It's Travis proof and it's
It is
very
Travis
beautiful.
proof. It is. Shannon, before I let you go, unfortunately, running out of time. I know you're giving 2 of these away. Tell me about that.
Yeah, both of these right here. So I'll finish this one up and this one. All you go to do is Par Lumber's Facebook page or their Instagram and go to those details. It's simple, it's free, and these could be yours.
Awesome.
All right. Thank you.
Shannon,
Thank you so much.
Yeah, really appreciate the time. Always good. They're not only Travis proof, but they're also inexpensive to make. So great ideas.
Yes.
Thank you, Shannon.
You're welcome.
All right. Now for the full list of materials and instructions for this project, of course, we will post that on our website. That's coin.com. Just go to the AM Extra section.